In a flooded metropolis, AquaChassis, a modular rescue rover, unfolds from a harbor dock and scans the rising water. Its hull morphs into a skimming boat, then into a hover sled as a stranded family clings to an overturned bus. A drone sled drops ropes while thermal vision locates a trapped child behind a storefront, and the crew anchors the rescue. With a single pull, AquaChassis reconfigures again into a buoyant podium, lifting the grateful family above the torrent. By nightfall, the city breathes, the rover hums softly, and the story of adaptive rescue spreads through the alleys.